In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign into Wave accounting software. Today, we will walk through the login process step by step at a pace that is easy to follow. By the end, you will be able to access your Wave account and continue with your bookkeeping tasks. To begin, open your web browser on your computer or tablet. Then go to the Wave login page. This is the official page where you can sign into your account. If you already have the page bookmarked, you can use that link. If not, make sure you are on the correct Wave login screen before you enter any information. Taking a moment to confirm you are on the right page helps prevent mistakes and makes the rest of the process smoother. Once you are on the Wave login page, look for the button that says something like Get Started Now. Click that button to move forward. This is the start of the sign-in flow, and it takes you to the screen where you will enter your credentials. You may notice the page briefly loads or shifts to a new section, which is normal. At this point, just focus on getting ready to type your login details in the fields that appear. Next, enter your registered email address and password. Use the same email address that you used when you created your Wave account. When you type, pay attention to spelling and capitalization where relevant. For the password, enter it exactly as you set it during registration. If you have trouble remembering, it can help to double-check that you are using the correct password you last used for your account. Take your time here, because accurate information is what allows you to sign in successfully. As you enter your email and password, make sure the fields are filled completely. Do not rush past the input boxes. If there is a toggle to show or hide the password, you can leave it as it is, or use it only if it helps you verify the text you entered. The goal is to ensure the credentials match what Wave expects, so you can log in without interruptions. After you have entered both your email address and password, click the blue Get Started button. This blue button is the one that submits your login information and attempts to sign you into your Wave account. Once you click, watch the screen for the loading process. You may see a brief message or a spinner while Wave checks your details. This is normal, and it usually only takes a moment. If your login is successful, you will be taken into your Wave dashboard or the next page in the sign-in process. From there, you can access features such as invoices, reports, and other accounting tools, depending on how your account is set up. If you see an error message, double-check that the email address and password were entered correctly, then try again. Sometimes small typos can cause the sign-in to fail, so careful input matters.
That is it.
You have successfully signed in to Wave accounting software by visiting the login page, selecting the Get Started option, entering your email and password, and clicking the blue Get Started button. That covers everything you need to know.